Welcome back. In the previous video we had discussed exercise 5.3 and all these questions were discussed, and as I earlier also mentioned, normally this time in your syllabus you'll be expecting complex roots only. That means delta value in all the cases is going to be negative. Last conclusion part you have to wind up the answer with the complex roots only. So before I go for a few more questions, miscellaneous exercise sums, let me discuss one more pattern question which is depending upon the real part and imaginary part of the complex number. Okay, so few examples are taken here. First question, you can have a glance. If x plus iy is equal to 3 plus 4i divided by 3 minus 4i, prove that x square plus y square is equal to 1. Prove that x square, which stands for something special, y square, which is nothing but something special, isn't it? That is imaginary part. They say that square of this and square of this, you have to prove that the result is 1. So before we go for solution of this, let me ask you a very simple question. Okay, see, maybe in algebra also you have done it in a lower class. If at all say p value is 3 and q value is 1, then my question is prove that p square plus q square is equal to 10. This question hege martira? Your solution begins, you start with LHS, isn't it? You can say this is LHS, they say it is p square plus q square. So p value substitute martira, they say 3 square, p is given, q is given. So we have here 3 square plus 1 square, we have 9 plus 1, that is 10, that is equal to RHS. This is your lower class algebra question. Ide question na terms na change ಮಾಡಿ. If at all I'll say that if p plus iq, what do you mean by this term, this type of an expression? This means it is a I stands for here root of minus 1. That means we are speaking about the complex number where p is real part, q is imaginary part. If this is equal to one more complex number 3 plus I, then prove that p square plus q square is equal to 10. So in prove ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ obviously what's your requirement here? P value ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕಾ, q value ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. Previous question ಏನಾಗಿತ್ತು, p was given ready made ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ ನಾವು ಅಲ್ಲೇ. p is 3, q is 1, put the value, go for LHS and conclude it for RHS, isn't it? But here p square plus q square is okay, but what they have given here, p ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, q ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, but they say equality of two complex number. That is, from the data, when they say p plus iq is equal to 3 plus I, you say p is equal to 3 and you say q is equal to 1. That means p value ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, which I should say real part, q value ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, which I should say is imaginary part. Now let's begin with the LHS, isn't it? So that again back to the same substitution, I should say it is p square plus q square, substitute it, we have RHS is equal, LHS is equal to RHS is the answer. That means in this question also, see, if x plus iy is equal to the division of two complex number, you have to prove that x square plus y square is equal to 1. That means what is x value? What is y value? X value has to be still in the division na perform ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. Once you perform it, once you divide the two complex number, then you have to extract real part, you have to take out y part, then come for this part. Are you getting it? So this is one of the method, but shortly ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮೆಥಡ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದನ್ನೇ ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಬಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಈ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲಿ ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಐ ಟೇಕನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಡನ್ ಹಿಯರ್, x plus iy is equal to, we find 3 plus 4i divided by 3 minus 4i. Let's go for division of two complex number. Division, yeah. So multiply it by conjugate, balance it. We have a plus b whole square, I have taken in numerator. A square plus b square, 4i square, 16i square, plus 2ab, 2 3s are 2ab. So here I find 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24i. Whole divided by, we have a minus b, a plus b, know it very well, it is 9 plus 16. Again, I square is going to contribute there. So we have 9 plus 16. So we are left out with 9 minus 16 here. I square. 9 minus 16, we find minus 7 plus 24i divided by 25 divided by 25. So this is something special, I should call it as real part. X value minus 7 by 25. Y value is 24 by 25. So individual values na ತೆಗಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. Then if I'll go for the LHS, see LHS, we find x square plus y square, put the value of x, put the value of y, 7 square, 49, 24 square, square it from your side, we find 576, denominator 25 square, we find 625, sum it up, I find the result 625 divided by 625, the result is 1 which is equal to RHS. This is one of the method of proving, the basic method of proving. Okay, but idrolagane innond important question enu ante, important term enu andre, see they have given something special regarding x square plus y square. Okay, because they have given x square plus y square in the topic of complex number, only in the case of complex number I am saying here. So because they say this expression x square plus y square, we in the case of complex number, we have something special for this x square plus y square. What is that? X minus iy into x plus iy. We know it very well. It is always equal to x square plus y square. Andre x square plus y square barbeku antandre, we can even apply, you can apply a minus b, I mean a minus b, a plus b, which will definitely shrink to a square minus b square. I square is going to contribute, and so complex number alli ee result enadru stand agutte annodadre, let me take the benefit of this result. Anyway, the question is based on x square plus y square. ಇದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಹೇಳಿಕತ್ತೀನಿ. ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ದಟ್ 2x plus 2y is equal to ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ನಾ ಇದನ್ನೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. Find out x, find out y, then 2x plus 2y, put the value of x, put the value of y, start with LHS and conclude it for RHS. That's the basic method, real part, imaginary part. But we have something special, x square plus y square ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಹೇಳಿಕತ್ತೆ ನಾನು. So x square plus y square, we find that in the complex number, x square plus y square is always equal to x minus iy into x plus iy. ಕರೆ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, this if I take it as z, then I should say it is a product of a number, complex number and its conjugate. A number, either can say this is a complex number, then its conjugate is multiplied, or conjugate is the multiplication ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ the result is always x square plus y square, where we say x is real part and y is imaginary part. So ಈ note na benefit ತಗೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. So instead of going for this method, what we have done, the best option would have been solution. ನೋಡಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ. See, they say x plus iy is equal to 3 plus 4i upon 3 minus 4i. He kottaga, let me find out its conjugate. Let me find out x plus iy's conjugate. Then its conjugate is going to be x minus iy, denoted with the imaginary part sign is going to change. That should be equal to, idradu conjugate tagotira, 3 plus 4i is also a complex number, 3 minus 4i is also a complex number. So if I go for the conjugate of this, I find 3 minus 4i, denominator's conjugate, it is 3 plus 4i. ಹೀಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ ತಗೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ರಿಮೈಂಡ್ ಯು, ಸಿ ವೆನೆವರ್ ಐ ಸ್ಪೀಕ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಕಾಂಜುಗೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೂ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್, ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಈ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೂ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರಿನ ಕಾಂಜುಗೇಟ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಆಸ್ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಕಾಂಜುಗೇಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಕಾಂಜುಗೇಟ್ ತಗೋಬಹುದು. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ಡ್, ಇವೆರಡು ಈಕ್ವಲ್. Regarding its conjugate part, I should say, conjugate of this is equal to this. So this number, complex numbers, conjugate is accordingly. Obviously, this conjugate can be taken as conjugate of numerator divided by conjugate of denominator. The best way of solving. Now, anyway, I am in need of x square plus y square. Beka prashne prakar barona. X square plus y square. So what is the best here? I find, let us consider the relation e term na LHS part and LHS part. Let me go for multiplication. Now add madbodu, subtract madbodu, but I prefer to go for here product only, because the required term is x square plus y square ge a term hogbeku, adakoskara product we have considered here. So LHS into LHS into is equal to RHS into RHS. This term na into this term. So let me repeat, solution part, this is the best way of solving. Okay, but it is possible only in the special case of ee prashne hing kottaga x square plus y square idaga ashte ee method barta nodi. So let me conclude the answer here. We find, consider x plus iy into x minus iy. I have taken the term, and here I find something special towards LHS. This whole thing has to be taken as x square plus y square. Ille 3 plus 4i, the whole term complex number, terms are going to cancel, and therefore the result is nothing but 0 alla, the result is 1. So we could prove it. So ಈ ಎರಡು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಗೋದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ರಿಯಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ತಗೋದು, ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನರಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ತಗೋದು, ದೆನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ LHS, put the value of real, put the value of imaginary, then conclude the RHS is also done. But a very lengthy procedure. But this is a basic method. Real part ಸಿಗೋದು, imaginary part ಸಿಗೋದು, both these methods are the basic method. ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ x square plus y square ಇದಕ್ಕೆ one more shortcut we have. ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು something called 2x square plus 3y cube ಅಂತ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ you have to hook or crook, you have to find out real, you have to find out imaginary. This is the best option. This is the only option I should say. Okay? So, ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಗೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಬರ್ಕೋತೀರಾ ಬಟ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಹೆನ್ಸ್ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಬಂದೇ ಬರ್ತದ, ಈ ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತದ ರಿಗಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಜುಗೇಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ x square plus y square result only. A similar question I have taken here. Now again you can guess it, you can do it once from your side. ನೋಡಿ, x minus iy is a complex number given with square root of a minus ib upon c minus id. They are complex number. Root of division of two complex, but this is a complex number. Prove that. ನೋಡಿ, x square plus y square ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. This is a very important term which I am highlighting. If at all x square plus y square is given, definitely you make use of its conjugate result. ಇದು ಕಾನ್ಜುಗೇಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಆ ಕಾನ್ಜುಗೇಟ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಬೇಡಿ. ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಯು ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ x square plus y square. The best option. Okay. So, prove that. Question is, prove that x square plus y square whole square is equal to a square plus b square upon c square plus d square. To fulfill this one, ನೀವೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಷನಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ರಿಯಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್, ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನರಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್. ಬಟ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2, 3 ಇತ್ತು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. A, B ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಬಹಳ ಲೆಂದಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ನೋಡಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಏನಂತ, ಗಿವನ್ x minus iy square root of, then its conjugate is x plus iy. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರು, ಇದು ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್, ಎರಡೂ ಕಾನ್ಜುಗೇಟ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Within a root, I should say, again, it's balance of the property. I should say, either conjugate a plus ib, either conjugate, we find c plus id. Then let's consider product of these two. I find square root of this into this. So within a common root, I can say we have a minus ib into a plus ib, denominator c minus id into c plus id, isn't it? Now again, something special you find here, a minus ib into a plus ib. We can apply again the formula. We find a square plus b square. Denominator, I should say, the c square plus d square within a root. So, you'll ban mele. Again, have a glance what exactly I need to prove here. Square of this. So, square root symbol na. If I'll transfer it here, I find square of x square plus y square is equal to its a square plus b square denominator c square plus d. Square root can be transferred. We are squaring, or even you can say squaring both the sides. Illi beka barkobodu. Squaring both the sides. We have the result. Hence proved. Okay, so whenever a complex number is given and if they speak about its complex numbers x square plus y square, the best option is go for the given complex number, just go for its conjugate and multiply. You will definitely have the relation x square plus y square relation. Got it? Fine. So a similar question I have taken here. These all questions they are asked in the miscellaneous. So one more question here we find, if a plus ib is a complex number, with the relation x plus I square of this, only for numerator, whole divided by, I should say 2x square plus 1. Please make a note, I illeshte ide, denominator I illa. Prove that a square plus b square, complex number ide, ಆ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರಿನ ರಿಯಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್, ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನರಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್, ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟ ಹಾಗೆ ಇದೆ. Prove that a square plus b square is equal to some relation, they say x square plus 1 whole square denominator 2x square plus 1 whole square. ಸೊ ಈ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಬಂತು, ಈ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರ ಕಾನ್ಜುಗೇಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಗಿವನ್ a plus ib is equal to x plus I whole square upon 2x square plus 1, then its conjugate is denoted by a minus ib. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಾನ್ಜುಗೇಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಗಮನ ಇರಲಿ. ಪಾಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನೀವೇ ಬರೀರಿ, ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. You are going to write x minus I whole square. Denominator, you are going to write 2x square minus 1 ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀರಿ. ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿರ್ರಿ. It's not minus 1. This has to be 2x square plus 1. ಇದು ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಷ್ಟನ್ನೇ ಕಾನ್ಜುಗೇಟ್ ಹೇಳಿಕತ್ತೀವಿ. ಮೇಲೆ ಕಾನ್ಜುಗೇಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಮೇಲೆ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇದೆ. I, wherever it occurs, only for that I should change the sign. Denominator is only real part. ಇದು 2x square plus 1 is real part. Plus I into 0 ಇದ್ದಂಗದ. So denominator we don't find any I No conjugate will be considered here, only numerator. So conjugate is x minus I whole square, denominator 2x square plus 1 it is. It's not minus 1. We'll go wrong if we'll go for that. So if this is a complex number, then its conjugate is given accordingly. Only I part sign has to be changed. Now let's consider the product of these two. We find a plus ib into a minus ib. Multiply, give the terms. So in numerator I find notice square there. I can take a common bracket square, multiply both. I find x plus I into x minus I. This is whole square. I call laws of exponent. If at all I should say it is p square, q square. You can say it as pq whole square. So I have taken here this product into square. Denominator we find 2x square plus 1 into 2x square plus 1, that is 2x square plus 1 whole square. Product idu LCM alla matte product. So you have to multiply. Plus ididre LCM akittu, which has to occur only once. 2x square plus 1. I'm sure you people have taken only once. It is product, so multiply. So a square plus b square here. Numerator I find a plus b, a minus b. I should take it as x square minus I square. Itha prakara whole square. Denominator it's balanced. 2x square plus 1 whole square as it is. So a square plus b square, this I square value we know it very well, it is minus 1. So the result has to go for x square plus 1 whole square. Denominator we find 2x square plus 1 whole square. This itself was asked to prove. I hope the terms are clear. So next question here they say, if x plus iy whole cube is equal to u plus iv. So here I find a complex number. If at all the question is prove that u square plus v square anta kelidre, u square plus v square, definitely I would have taken its conjugate. So let's see what's the question they ask here. Show that the question is u by x plus v by y is equal to, they say it is 4 into bracket x square minus y square. Yelli nimge u square kaanta illa plus v square anta kaanta illa. U square v square kaantane illa. Nodi. I warned you at the beginning only. If at all the complex number is given and a square plus b square is asked, then and only then go for conjugate. Illa andre yaudu? The basic method which I gave you, no? Complex number ide, real part tegiri, imaginary part tegiri, will start with LHS and then put all the values, then conclude for RHS. As a basic, this is the evergreen method. This is restricted method. It is only for special case. For the complex number, and in the question it should be x square plus y square. The complex number it should be x square plus y square, and the complex number it should be a square plus b square here. Iddaga matra madbodu. Hagidre ee question hege martira? See, if the complex number is given, then show that u by x plus v by y is equal to 4 into bracket x square minus y square. This is a complex number, but cube is nodile. It should be irrespective of the power. Then you can guess it. One more option of even innondu x square minus y square ide. Plus y square idre matra you can think about its conjugate. We expect x square x square plus y square idre matra apply martira. So again even that possibility is also it's not available. We have x square minus y square. So only option is e complex number anna illirodalla real part tegibekagutte. That's u. You have to find out, v you have to find out, put it back here, whatever LHS and RHS. Let's see what best we can do for this. So I find u plus iv is equal to, this is the cube of the complex number. Cubing, you know it very well. I have applied a cube, a plus b whole cube expansion I have taken. A cube plus 3 a square b plus 3ab square, a 3ab square plus b cube. So x cube kept as it is, I find 3x square y into y here. I square is something special, changes the sign. Minus 3xy square, I cube should give us minus I y cube. So I can be taken one side, left out x cube minus 3xy square. I taken common, illond I there, let's go for common. I taken common, we are left out with 3x square y minus y cube. So this is real part. This imaginary part. Towards LHS I find u plus iv. So here I find u is equal to x cube minus 3xy square. V value v is imaginary 3x square y minus y cube. So once I find u and v value, I can start with LHS. I would have asked you to go for LHS. But one more option, x common is there. I can even drag it for x common ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಉಳಿಯೋದು x square minus 3y square. ಆ x ನ denominator ತಗೋತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. That is u by x I am trying to conclude it here. V by y I am trying to conclude by taking common. Y is common. Common. Transferred. ಉಳಿಯೋದು 3x square minus 1 power reduced y square. So now let's start with LHS. I find u by x plus v by y. Okay, substitute all the terms. This is term, this is a term. So x square and plus 3x square, 4x square, minus 3y square minus y square should give us minus 4y square, 4 common, x square minus y square. That should be taken as RHS. Clear? So, ivella questions kuda please make a note here. This is an important question. Important. This is also important. Okay? So, previous two examples which I taken, please make a note there. They're important questions. Now, one more. This is very important. This is very, very important. Okay? So, just see the question. They say 1 plus I upon 1 minus I whole raised to m is equal to 1. Then find the least positive integral value of m. M, regarding m, the power, you have to find out what value of m. What value of m? ಈ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಒಂದು division of two complex number ಇದೆಲ್ಲ, ಈ division of two complex numbers ಮೇಲೆ something power we have m, that m value, minimum I should say the least positive integral value, which will make the whole equation or whole LHS is equal to RHS ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 ಬರೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So anyway they speak about division. So I consider division of two complex number here. That is 1 plus I, denominator 1 minus I. Let's perform the division here. So division we know it very well. Multiply it 1 plus I. Consider ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಕತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಲೆ. Consider. Only division I taken here and I could divide it and plus 1 minus 1 gets eliminated. We find I. So given. Question ನೋಡಿ ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ it's an equation. Solve for m ಇದ್ದಂಗಿದು. So 1 plus I upon 1 minus I whole raised to m is equal to 1. This whole thing is nothing but I, which I taken here, I raised to m is equal to 1. Once I say I raised to m is equal to 1, now tell me what are the values, possibilities for m. Already in my previous video I discussed, ನೋಡಿ I raised to, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು? Multiples of 4. The value is always equal to 1. Isn't it? So multiples of 4 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದದು? I should say m value can go for 4, 8, 12, 16, 24, 28, 32 and so on. Negative integral value ಅಂದ್ರೆ integers ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ minus 4 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, minus 8 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 0, minus 12, minus 16 and there are so many values here. So m can take all these values which is an infinite set. But what's the question? ಅದರ ಒಳಗೆ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ ತೆಗಿರಿ. ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು? 4 ಇದೆ, 0 is neutral. 0 is neutral ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡೋಣ. 4 ಇದೆ, 8 ಇದೆ, 12 ಇದೆ, 16 ಇದೆ, 24 ಇದೆ, 28 and so on. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಯಾವುದಿದೆ? ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರೋದು ಯಾವುದು? So the minimum positive integral value is, least positive integral value is 4. So I raised to m is equal to 1. There are so many possibilities for m here because we of course you can even write here, because I raised to 4k is equal to 1. The multiple of 4, it always results to 1. So m can go for an infinite set. So many values are there, but according to question, if I would like to go for least positive integral, it has to go for the least value positive integer, that is m is equal to 4 should be the answer. So it's a very important question. Okay, solve it once, twice, practice it. If you have any doubts, you can ask during doubt session. So now let me come back with the miscellaneous value kuda. A few questions I would like to give it as homework part for you. We'll have a discussion regarding the miscellaneous. Nodi. So miscellaneous ಒಳಗೆ this question ನೋಡಿ, find the conjugate of. Now z is equal to ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಬಹುಶಃ discussion session ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ this question already given. You can have a glance. The solution part is given here. You have to reduce it. Z is equal to ಅಂತಾನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬನ್ನಿ. Z is equal to ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ಗೆ z bar is equal to go for the conjugate part. Just imaginary part sign has to be changed. So homework question. This is homework question. You have to solve it in your notes. Now this question. Find the modulus and argument of the complex number. Idnu ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. Homework question. Solve it. It should be there in your notes. Practice. Okay. So, okay. E question. Just now I discussed if x plus iy is equal to, then prove that x square plus y square is equal to 1. Okay, they went for real part, they went for imaginary part. The best option I gave you, whenever I find this complex number and this special case, just go for its conjugate and conclude the answer. You can even have a glance. Aurella il maadi nodi real part tagudu, imaginary part tagudu, and they have taken the answer. So you can just have a glance. Yeah. This question, so the trigonometry complete ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಬಹುಶಃ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಈಸಿ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. But still, if you want to have a glance, you can have it. Find the real value, real theta, for which the whole complex number, division of two complex number is purely real. So division complex numbers divide ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಹೇಗೆ divide ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. Everything will get simplified. Okay, and finally we expect here this is a complex number. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಬರೋದು ಬಹುಶಃ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್. ಸೊ ಐ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಹೋಲ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಐ. ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಇದು ಗಿವನ್ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ರಿಯಲ್. ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಪ್ಯೂರ್ಲಿ ರಿಯಲ್. ಸೊ ಪ್ಯೂರ್ಲಿ ರಿಯಲ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ರಿಯಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಉಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನರಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು? ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನರಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ 0 ಅಂತ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಪೂರ್ತಿ 8 sin theta ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ 1 + 4 sin square. This I imaginary unit taken out. So is equal to 0 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ we have sin theta is equal to 0. Now sin theta is equal to 0 ಅಂತಂದಾಗ what is the value of theta? What is the value of theta? So trigonometry ಕಲ್ತ ಮೇಲೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. sin ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಈ x axis ಮೇಲೆ sin theta ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ 0 ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಯಾವಾಗಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ theta should be either 0 degree or it should be here pi or again one rotation ನೋಡಿ ಆಂಟಿ ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ವೈಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಈ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಈ ಆಂಗಲ್ 0 ಡಿಗ್ರಿಗೆ ಪಾಯ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಯ್ ಹಾಕ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಅಗೇನ್ ಪಾಯ್ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಸುತ್ತ ಹಾಕಿಲ್ ಬರ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಐ ಶುಡ್ ಸೇ 360 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, 360 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಬಿ ಟೇಕನ್ ಆಸ್ 2 pi. ಮತ್ತಿಲ್ ಬರ್ರಿ, ಐ ಶುಡ್ ಸೇ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ 3 pi. ಅಗೇನ್ ಯು ಕಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಐ ಶುಡ್ ಸೇ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ 4 pi. ಅಗೇನ್ ಯು ಕಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ 5 pi. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಆನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಂತುಕೊಂಡಾಗ ಸೈನು angle, this angle if it is lying on the x axis 0 degree, 180 degree, 360 degree, plus 180, plus 180, plus 180, plus 180 ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲೇ 2 pi, 4 pi, 6 pi, here 5 pi, 3 pi, which we call it as n pi ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ ನಾವು. So sin theta is equal to 0, theta value should go for n pi. This is what we speak about periodic function. ಅಂದ್ರೆ at certain stage the sine function will take the same value for the various values of theta. This is called even general solution ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ನಿಮಗೆ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಕಲಿತೀರಾ. ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟೇನೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ವಿತ್ ದಿಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ದೇ ಸ್ಪೀಕ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಜನರಲ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಈಸಿಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಔಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ n pi where n belong to set of integers. Okay, so yeah, convert the complex number to the polar form. Okay, ಇದನ್ನು ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಡ, ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಮುಗಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಇದು. ಇದನ್ನ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ತಗೋಬಹುದು ನೋಡಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಇಟ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು. ಸೊ I - 1 upon cos pi by 3. Pi by 3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? Cos 60 degree. What is cos 60 degree value? 1 by 2 plus I sin pi by 3 is √3 by 2. ನೋಡಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಾ. ಸೊ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋದನ್ನ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು z is equal to ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಒಂದು ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೂ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ರಿಯಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್, ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನರಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್. ಆ ರಿಯಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನರಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ಆರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ತೆಗೆದು ದೆನ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಯು ಟು ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಟು ಪೋಲಾರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎ ಗ್ಲಾನ್ಸ್. ರಿಯಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್, ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನರಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಆರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಐ ಗಿವ್ ಯು ನೋ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ √(x² + y² ಮಾಡಿ. Okay, and amplitude I should say it is √3 - 1 upon 2 √2. I given 15 degree and 75 degree in my table. See, so you find 75 degree. Amplitude is 75 degree. That is 5 pi by 12. Pi by 12 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 15 degree. 15 degree into 5. 75 degree. 15 5 is 75. So 15 degree pi by 12 ಆದ್ರೆ 5 pi by 12 is a radian measure. So this is the final answer. Solve ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬನ್ನಿ and you can verify the answer. Okay, this question already I given it in my notes. This is also, it's already given, so ಇದು homework ಬೇಡ. But it's better if you write it once again also homework question. Okay, this is for any two complex numbers z1 and z2 prove that real part of z1 into z2. ನೀವು ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಸಮ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡಿ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ರಿಯಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್. ಆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟಿನ ರಿಯಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಅದು ರಿಯಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ದಟ್ ರಿಯಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ರಿಯಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ z1 ಇಂಟು ರಿಯಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ z2 ಮೈನಸ್ imaginary part of z1 into imaginary part of z2. You can just take an example and you can prove this result. Not important, but you can just solve it for your practice purpose. Okay, well, this is homework for you. This I want you people to solve homework. This already we have done it in our notes. Okay, you can solve it. Convert it to polar form. Of course, this time they have taken it out from the syllabus, but still it's better to solve it. Now, solve the equation for x. Homework question. Homework question. This is also homework. Z1, Z2 is given. Find out the modulus. Homework question. This already I have done it. Homework question. Okay, this one, real part of homework question. Madiyana. Models and argument, homework. You can do it. All these questions have been discussed. Find the real number x and y if multiplication is a conjugate of this. Either is the conjugate ತಗೊಂಡು balance ಮಾಡಿ, then find out the real part and imagine. You can do it. Okay, homework. Okay, this is also find the modulus of. Overall ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆಮೇಲೆ modulus ತೆಗೀರಿ. You can do this. This already I done it. Homework. This is not required. You can have a glance. Okay, what about this? Yeah, find the non-integral solutions I minus x. You can keep it pending. This is not required. 17 not required, 18 not required, 19th one you can just have a glance. Yeah, this one you had to do it. It is important. Important question. Meanwhile, this all question you can just try. Okay, if you want, I'll get you a solution for you. I'll pass a solution in the group also. Okay, so these all questions you're going to solve it, and this completes your complex number chapter. Homework question. Just go through all these questions, solve it, and this shortly I think this can be taken as one more assignment for you, and shortly I'll ask you to upload all these assignment, whereas as soon as the college reopens, even I may ask you to submit your notebooks. Okay, so this is what we have in the complex number, but this is not the end of the complex number. Still you need to speak about many more things we have in the complex number, but this time it's not given in syllabus, like what we have the cube root of 1. So cube root of 1 anta helabekadre, okay, this all in syllabus alli illa. So cube root of 1 we say it is definitely 1, but two more imagined roots are there, something called omega and omega square. So this is what we speak about. Okay, we had De Moivre's theorem anta barutte regarding complex number. So still we have extension, but not given in your syllabus. So right now we deal with only the algebra, which I had discussed in my first video also. This is a part introduction we have done, examples we have done, algebra of complex number like addition, subtraction we have done, conjugate, modulus we have discussed, arrogant plane we had discussed, this geometrical representation of complex number, polar form this has been taken out, but still it's better you be perfect. Then chord equation, and based on this only we expect, earlier the blueprint says 9 marks, but this time again they may change it, but as soon as the information is given we'll just pass it to you. Okay, so here we come to an end of this complex number chapter. Complex number. I hope all the terms are clear for you. So solve the questions and be perfect. Analyze the content what they have given here in this complex number. Okay, if you have any doubts you can ask me. Okay, all the best. Thank you.